Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to offer different types of the same dish at different prices. Let's take the example of an Indian restaurant. For each curry dish, we can select the type of meat which comes at a different price. First, we create the base item. You can write in the description field that one can select the type of meat. We then create a group called Choose Meat. The customer must choose only one type of meat, so we set this group as mandatory. We add each choice and set the price. Vegetarian has the base price, so we don't fill in anything. Chicken is $20, while lamb is 50 cents more expensive than the base price. We preview the menu, and this is how your customers will see it. When you choose chicken, its full price will be shown in the shopping cart.